This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, January the 20th. I'm Michael Groff. An unsettled and active weather pattern continues across the southwest, and that should continue through the first part of next week. We'll see periodic chances of showers, thunderstorms, mountain snow, cooler temperatures, and maybe a few surprises along the way as well. Of course, all of the usual questions are around, including how much rain will we get, how long will it last, how cool do the temperatures get. Let's see if we can find some answers as we get into it here. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. We did manage to make it to 71 degrees for our afternoon high. That occurred just before 5 p.m. That low temperature of 56, very mild for this time of year. And we did pick up 1/100th of an inch of rain officially at Sky Harbor yesterday. So now we're on the board for the year 2021. Hopefully we'll cut further into that rainfall deficit and cut down on the drought here across the southwest. As we take a look outside right now here at 8:30 a.m., we've got mostly cloudy sky. The sun trying to peek out just a little bit here and there, sitting at 63 degrees, a very warm start at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 30, relative humidity 29%, the winds from the east at 14 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 51 is the cool spot up there on Thompson Peak, but most locations through the metro are in the upper 50s to middle 60s this morning, and really, it did not cool off very much last night at all, thanks to that veil of clouds and a little bit of added moisture. Here's a peek at the radar as of just a couple of minutes ago, and we do have an area of showers across southwest Arizona and southeast California, trying to knock on the door of the West Valley here, and we will see some occasional showers off and on through the day today, but just like yesterday, they'll be very light and very widely spaced, and it's likely that some of you don't even get wet at all. Here's the upper air look. This morning, we have an area of low pressure sitting off the Southern California and northern Baja coast, and that should help to continue with this unsettled weather as Arizona is under a broad southerly to southwesterly flow aloft. The heaviest rain for now should stay further to the west, closer to that low, but then it will begin to shift east later this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow, and bring the rain with it. And check out the watch warning map, some flash flood watches, including parts of southwest Arizona in Yuma County. These are in effect until noon tomorrow. It wouldn't be surprised to see a couple more watches posted for parts of southeast Arizona as that low tracks east later today and tonight. Not sure about any flash flood watches here in Phoenix, as I think the heaviest rain is likely to stay just to our south and east, as we'll show you in a moment. Here's the convective outlook for today. A risk of thunder here over parts of southwest and south central Arizona, perhaps right here in Phoenix as well, especially later tonight and tomorrow morning. But severe weather, not expected. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix between 1/2 and 1 inch. Somewhat heavier totals to the north in excess of 2 inches, as well as over parts of extreme southern and southeast Arizona. The southwest portion of the state could see some locally heavy rain as well, especially later this afternoon and tonight. And this is a rather complex and interesting weather pattern. We'll try to break it down as we get into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Got an amplifying ridge over the North Pacific, and that's helping to really deepen this low off the Southern California and northern Baja coast. Arizona in that southerly flow today. So down at the surface, mostly cloudy sky. We will see some sun from time to time, though. And widely scattered showers will be possible here in Phoenix today. I think the chance of us getting wet about 3 in 10. And really, I don't think a whole lot of us will see much rain if you do see anything at all. The heavier rain should stay to the west of us across Southern California and southwest Arizona. And so highs this afternoon should be still fairly mild, upper 60s and low 70s, rather similar to what we saw yesterday. Now tonight, the clouds should thicken and lower, and we'll see better chances of showers. The rain becomes a little bit more widespread. This is the 3-kilometer NAM at 11 o'clock tonight, and it's got an area of showers and maybe a few embedded thunderstorms moving into southern and southeast Arizona at that time. And even though the heaviest rain probably stays just south and east of Phoenix, I still think we have a pretty good shot at some light rain and maybe a clap of thunder or two. And the rain continues especially over southwest Arizona as well. So lows tonight should be down into the 50s. We're not going to cool off all that much thanks to the clouds and precipitation. And then tomorrow, as that low continues to move through, mostly cloudy, some showers likely in the morning, and then we'll still see a chance of showers continuing into the afternoon. Maybe a little bit of sun comes out later in the day as well. High temperatures tomorrow, mid and upper 60s. On Friday, it looks like we are between systems here as that initial low moves out. The next system begins to dive down the west coast. And so it looks like the majority of the day is going to stay dry. I've kept a small chance of a shower in the forecast, but the preponderance of model guidance says it'll just be a partly sunny day, high temperatures in the mid 60s. And then here's Saturday, and the second system comes in. This one might not have quite as much moisture associated with it, but it will be a colder and more dynamic system, so it should be a fairly efficient precipitation producer. Rain and mountain snow increasing across the state here in southern Arizona, specifically the valley. Scattered showers around off and on through the day, and it will be breezy and cooler, high temperatures in the low 60s. There might even be an embedded thunderstorm in there that could serve to enhance rainfall. How much rain we get out of this next system? Probably between about 1/4 and 1/2 inch. At least that's how it looks right now. Of course, things can change. Saturday night and Sunday, this system is still lingering around for scattered showers through at least a good portion of the day on Sunday, and high temperatures only in the upper 50s. And now as we get to Monday, things turn decidedly more interesting. The GFS has a very cold shortwave rotating around the mean trough here into the southwest and going negative tilt as it does. And this is a very cold system. And so if this pans out as advertised, Monday would be a mostly cloudy day with scattered rain and mountain snow showers, and those snow levels would be coming down. High temperatures in Phoenix probably just stay in the low to mid 50s. And then Monday night and into early Tuesday, chances of rain and even a few snow showers in the valley perhaps. Well, not in the valley, but maybe right around the outskirts of the metro area, say in North Scottsdale, the McDowell Mountains, Carefree, Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, those areas, the favored areas, the upslope areas, might just see a few flakes of snow. And of course, I'm going to caution you with my normal disclaimer. Today is Wednesday, and we're talking about a system out here at Monday night and Tuesday. And so we have to really get through these first two systems before we can really focus on this one and the potential of lower elevation snow. But as it looks right now, this is a very cold and dynamic setup. So at the very least, an unsettled weather pattern continues, and temperatures should be well below average if this is correct. Speaking of Tuesday, the day features still a continuation of scattered showers, maybe a few snow showers in the morning. Again, over northern Maricopa County, the extreme outskirts of the valley, and high temperatures still likely only in those low to mid 50s. Wow. All right, let's go out to a week from today. This is Wednesday the 27th. Still have a positively tilted trough along the west coast. Southwesterly flow in here, a ridge building to the east of us, and that looks dry for now. And then looking out 10 days, this is Friday the 29th. Yes, a very high amplitude pattern continues. Look in the upper left portion of your screen. That is an anomalous ridge, a huge ridge up there in the North Pacific and all the way up into the Bering Strait. We've been talking about this for a while. That's a great setup for an active weather pattern for a good portion of the West Coast. Does it translate to active weather in Arizona? That remains to be seen, but certainly on paper, it is set up that way. So we'll see if it plays out as such in reality. And as we take a peek at rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks, this is coming off of the European Ensemble, and the members range from around a 1/2 inch all the way up to nearly 3 inches. The Ensemble mean about 1.2 inches or so. So that would be great if we could really get some soaking rain in here. Still, fingers crossed, nothing set in stone just yet, but very interesting. And temperatures off the national blend of models, the trend is down. We could get up to about 71 today. But then look, we are only in the 50s later in the weekend and the first part of next week before we start to see a warm-up thereafter. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.